Hey there, amazing parents. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects many children, understanding dyslexia and other reading challenges. It's essential to know that every child learns differently, and that's completely okay. Let's break it down together. First off, what is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a specific learning disability that affects reading. Contrary to common misconceptions, it's not mainly about reversing letters or seeing things backwards. It's primarily about difficulty in reading. Kids with dyslexia can be bright and capable, but they might struggle with decoding words and recognizing letters. Now, let's talk about some common signs of dyslexia and other reading challenges. Look out for difficulty with phonemic awareness. This means that they struggle to hear and manipulate the sounds in words. Also, slow reading speed. They may take longer to read silently or aloud. Plus, inconsistent spelling. Spelling can be tricky for them, often resulting in the same word spelled differently each time. And avoidance of reading activities. If your child is often hesitant to read, it could be a sign that they're facing challenges. If you notice these signs, don't worry. Early intervention can make a huge difference. Consider reaching out to a teacher or a reading specialist. They can help assess your child's need and develop a tailored plan to support their learning. Remember, difficulties with reading are part of a larger continuum, and understanding what's holding your child back can lead to effective strategies for improvement. As parents, your support is vital. Here are a few tips to help your child thrive. Number 1, encourage a love of reading. Let them choose books that interest them. Number 2, use audiobooks. This helps them enjoy stories without the stress of decoding text. Number 3, practice phonics with playful activities. Make learning fun and engaging. And number 4, be patient and positive. Celebrate their progress no matter how small. Understanding dyslexia and other reading challenges is the first step towards helping your child succeed. Each child's journey is unique, and with the right tools and support, they can become confident readers. If you're looking for additional resources to support your child's reading journey, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on supporting your child's literacy journey. Bye for now.